I asked that you subpoena that recording because I've emailed IDEC, I've asked for the recording, they've not responded.
U-Adams eqala ukwethula ubufakazi ekuqaleni kwaleli sonto ucele ikhomishana ukuthi idlale ingxoxo eyabe iphakathi kwakhe nomshushisi we-IDEC uDrushandra Ramsemi ngoba emsola ngokuthi waqamba amanga. Ikhomishana ke itholile ingxoxo eqoshiwe kanti izolo isigcawu siguqe u-Adams engumuntu oyoyilalela ngayedwana kwakhe. Ubuyele kukhomishana namhlanje wathi ucela ukuthi ingadlalwa lengxoxo esidlangalaleni kanti uthi usenqume ukuthi avulele uRamsemi icala.
After consulting with my attorneys last night, that we will be reporting Mrs. Miss Ramsemi to the LPC and also be laying criminal charges against her. That we do that. My request is that from my side we do not play the recording because we will be asking for it lawfully.
Usola ukuthi kukhona umuntu ku-IDEC owenze umkhonyovu kustatimende sakhe esithunyelwe kukhomishana kaMadlanga waze wagogotela ngisho isicico sakhe kulamaphepha.
Someone has altered this thing. I don't know why. I don't know how. Someone has taken out information that I wanted in here. Information that I'm passionate about. Information that landed me in Pietermaritzburg prison.
U-Adams ucele ikhomishana ukuthi iphoxise nobunye ubufakazi abethule ngolesine waxolisa futhi ngokushayisana kobufakazi abethule kule khomishana kanye nalokho akusho ekomidini leParliament iad hoc.
You either lied to the ad hoc committee and that's the impression you left them with, and or you're lying to us now when you say I made a mistake back then. One of these two institutions must hold you to have lied under oath. You accept that?
What I do accept, Commissioner, is that I made a mistake in front of the ad hoc committee, and I'm here admitting to the mistake and owning up to it and telling you that this is the correct version.
Uthi obeyinhloko ye-IDEC uAndrea Johnson waqamba amanga kule khomishana ngesikhathi ethi amaphepha ka section 27 wawathumela emahhovisi abo ePitoli.
She's lying.
Okay.
I'm telling you categorically that she's lying.